Hey YouTube, JP Dillon. This is a set that you saw on the previous video of installing a composite input. This is a 56 Silvertone bc5136, and the cabinet's a little sad on this one. This one is for sale on eBay right now, and I really just don't have the time to mess with the cabinet. The cabinet really needs to have the shellac peeled off and refinished. As you can see, it doesn't look all that great, but the set is complete, and it has been converted to the composite input. So I just want to do a brief demonstration of it, and we're going to go ahead and boot up the converter box. This is one of the early HD converter boxes made by a company called PhD. It's the model 205. Very nice features. I need to find the remote because it actually is quite nice. So let's go ahead and turn the set on. Wait for it to warm up. There we go. And let's go ahead and dial in our vertical.
Gathered for an emotional and musical tribute to iconic American singer-songwriter Aretha Franklin. Musicians, preachers, and politicians were some of the attendees at the Queen of Soul's funeral yesterday.
The Queen of Soul was laid to rest in a star-studded coming home celebration fit for an icon. Faith Hill.
The nice thing about doing the composite is that there's no inter-carrier buzz in the audio. You can feed your audio right in. The picture is nice and clear. It's got a bright CRT. As the tubes warm up, you will probably have to readjust vertical a little bit.
Hundreds of folks.
But as you can see, it looks great.
On Friday in her beloved
so this is on eBay right now under my JP Dillon handle. And pick it up in East County, San Diego. And if you want to refinish the cabinet, go for it. If not, just use it as is. Makes for a great piece as far as displaying video for like a museum or prop in a movie.
To family.
I know you be watching me from the windows of heaven.
Let's see if we can get something other than the news.
Legacy with pride and joy. It's pretty obvious it's gonna be a late. Good luck to you.
(1-800-381-1275). That's 1-800-381.
World, he's dealing in the world, so them two G's don't necessarily get along. It walks like a duck.
Let's see, what else?
This thrower, and he is a very good athlete, as you can see.
Anto, that you know exactly where you need to be.
Not a whole lot on air today.
After that is South African.
BS Roundtable starts now.
Pretty good sounding audio on this one too.
Pastor said, "Don't be alarmed. I just need to tell you, Martell have a gun."
Well, anyway, that's the Silvertone for you.
That room was out near the
Better not film that too long or I'll get popped by the copyright police.
ZipRecruiter often sends me the right person in 24 hours.
ZipRecruiter, this month.
So there you go. Again, it's on Fleabay. If you want a nice cabinet project, if you're one of those type of people, or just play it as is and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. More stuff soon.